is Shastik Pindasvedan. Shastika Pinda Svedanam. Shastika Pindasvedanam is another kind of sweating technique according to Ayurveda. What the mean of Shastika? Shastika is a kind of rice. What rice? I will tell you. Pinda is a bowl and Svedana is sweating techniques. So here we can take Saki rice or Navra rice, red rice, or we can take another rice, basmati rice or another grain or cereal also we can take, but like especially when they are talking Shastika, so we are saying it's a Saki rice or Navra rice or red rice. We can take this rice. So what the indication for this Shastik Pindasvedan is a kind of healing treatment, it's a kind of rejuvenating treatment, it's a kind of rasayana treatment, especially for degenerative muscular disorder, muscular dystrophy, weak muscles, like when the muscles getting weaker, muscle wasting, like in diabetic patient, when the muscles weak, nerves weak, paralysis, muscles weak, nerves weak, poliomyelitis, muscular dystrophy, degenerative muscular disorder, wrinkles, fine lines. For beauty therapy also we can do this treatment. This treatment really helpful because it's a kind of rejuvenating treatment, rejuvenating new rejuvenating, like you can say, new cells in our body. Just maintain the moisture, especially Vata problem or Pitta problem. This treatment really helpful. So what are the main ingredients for this treatment? We need rice. We will show in the practical session also. Another ingredient for this Shastika Pindasvedan is Balamula. Balamula or Dasmula. If you don't have Balamula, you can use Dashmula. And another ingredient is milk. We need milk. For Saki rice, Navra rice, red rice, or Balamula or Dasmula or milk. These are the main ingredients.
First, we are making decoction of Balamula. 100 gram of Balamula, add 4 times of water and cook on the same flame, reduce to 1/4. And this Balamula water we divide into 2 parts. So in first we add half liter of milk and add 100 gram of Navra rice or Sati rice. The rice cooked properly. We make bolus, we make pinda. Right now we are showing you how to do this bolus massage on the face. So we are making small bolus. If we are going to do the Pindasvedan on the full body, we are making big bolus size of orange. In second half, we mix half liter of milk, and this bowl we soak in the warm Balamula water and milk together, squeeze it, and then we are pounding on the face. It's a 2 movement, round and circular movement. We do the massage in between. So what the benefit for this treatment? You can see main ingredient is the rice. So it's like it's a kapha nature, it's a healing nature. Milk is a natural moisturization, it's a kapha nature. And Balamula is very special for Vata. So this treatment very special for Vata problems or lacking of kapha problem. So this treatment is good for like a rejuvenating treatment, it's a healing treatment, it's a nursing treatment, good for wrinkles, weak muscles, wasting of muscles, or another degenerative muscular disorder. So this is about the Shastik Pindasvedan for the face. Thanks very much.